Hello friends, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. Today we'll be learning basic crocheting using the hook of size 7 and yarn. Here I am using a thicker hook so that it becomes easier for you all to understand when I am working on it. Now see, a knot or a slip stitch has been formed, and through it the crochet hook will be passed. There is nothing much to tell. If you just keep following the steps that I am showing, you will surely be able to learn the process. Here the foundation chain is being made. I am doing the work very slowly so that you can understand how it is being done. The tension has to be kept normal, not very tight, because if you keep it too tight, you will not be able to pass the hook through the stitch, and not too loose, because if it is too loose, then also it becomes difficult to work on it. This way you have to keep making the chains of your desired number. Here I'll be making about 22 chains. Now, after 22 chains have been formed, I have kept my finger, left thumb I should say, tightly held on the chain. After that, we have to make 3 more chains. When the 3 extra chains have been made, then we will work on the 4th chain, counting from the crochet hook downwards. Now you must be wondering why those 3 number of extra chains were being made. Actually, the 3 number of chain in the beginning has been made because that will be counted as the first double crochet. Now you just need to keep working on the chains like how I am doing till the end of the work. It is very simple. If you follow the process, you'll be able to surely do it. We are about to complete the first row. Please ignore the sounds in the background. Now we turn our work and similarly we'll make 3 chains. Once the 3 chains are formed, then yarn over and we'll work on the chain beside it. We'll pull the yarn again, yarn over, pull the yarn like this way till we have 1 stitch on the hook. We have reached the end of the work or the second row. You have to be very careful when you are working on the last stitches. Now the work is turned. Now we'll be working on the third row. Again on the beginning of the third row, we have made 3 chains which will be counted as the first double crochet. Then yarn over, then we will be working on the chain which is closest to it. Now there is a slight change in the design. We'll be making 2 double crochet in the same chain. After that we'll make 1 chain and leave 1 chain gap and move on to the next chain where we'll be making 2 double crochet. If you watch the video properly, you will be understand the change in the pattern. Actually it is a slight change. I have included that part so that you all can understand the making of chains in the middle of the stitches. For that I have included that extra stitches or design. Although the stitch is very simple, it will appear nice as a pattern. I hope you are being able to follow the stitches that I am showing you. Learning the basic stitches in crocheting will help you to learn more projects in future. Do share your views regarding the type of videos you'd like to watch. Your suggestions, comments will help me and my cousin to make better videos in the coming days. Now see, we have reached the end of the third row. we will be making the first double crochet in the same way as we have seen in the previous parts of the video. We'll leave a chain gap like as in the previous row and work on the 2 chains to make 2 double crochet. I have kept the stitches as simple as possible so that you can learn it. I hope you will find this video useful. Now see, our work is complete. You can work on it as per your choice. Now, after all that crocheting, let us hop into my cousin's kitchen and see what she's cooking for us. We hope you liked the video. Please do share, subscribe and comment. And don't forget to hit the like button. Bye bye.